Hi guys, I'm here with Alex here in Canary Wharf. We're going to Canary Wharf. We're gonna skate this bit. Come on, Alex.
You want me to go first, yeah?
You lead the way. Pew! Oh, there! I didn't know he was going there. I didn't know we were going on the pavement. I didn't know we were going on onto the pavement.
Sorry.
Okay.
But it's got these good curves. Look what you can do on these curves. Right?
Yeah. Where are we heading? Lead the way.
We're going to stop here.
Huh?
We're going to stop here.
Here's Alex. He just wants to impress me. Yeah. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Oh, again. Woo. Hey guys, this is his turf. You know. Say something.
Hello.
What do you call that one, Alex?
What's that?
The whale.
I don't know.
You spend what?
Huh?
You spend what?
Whale on the Wharf it's called.
No. You spend how many minutes?
Oh, 15 minutes looking at that.
Yeah.
From all different angles. There's even a skateboard. There's even a skateboard in its fin.
Oh.
You see the little pink wheel? You can just see the wheel over the barrier there. That's a little pink.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's made up of different things. It's made up of garbage. Fake taxi. It's made up of plastics. Plastic baskets. Huh?
It's all. They reckon it's all stuff they found in the ocean. You see the little skateboard there.
Yeah.
Little child's boot.
Ew, sorry. I don't know where Alex is taking me.
It's too
But-
crowded there. Let's go the other way.
It's too crowded here. Hello. Where are we going?
We'll go this way.
I'm alright, yeah.
We'll
Here.
just roll down here, yeah. Are you gonna film and roll, yeah?
You're so funny, Alex. I am drunk. Mga kamagagalit. Nakatatlo na kasi akong alak eh, 4. Sundan lang natin si Alex kung saan siya pupunta. May skate pass daw dito eh. Yoo-hoo! Sorry. I'm drunk.
We're drunk. That doesn't help.
We'll film us together.
Okay, let's go.
Alex want to try this hill. So smooth, guys. Go on.
To walk up now. This is uphill. Just walking.
Alex is so funny.
Take a phone call.
Okay mga kamagalit. Nakainom kasi kami. Teka lang, may tinatawagan siya. Maganda dito sa Canary Wharf. Is that a protest?
You filming me?
Yeah, yeah. Is that a protest?
No, we're just skating.
Hey guys, I just want to update you. We've been approached by police. Yeah?
Security.
Security.
Yeah, not police.
Not police.
Like they've got their own security here in Canary
Yeah.
Wharf. Whoa, check the pigeon house. What happened to you? What happened to you? Sheesh. Yeah, we can skate again up here because it's flat and smooth.
Yeah guys, just what I'm saying is that we were approached by security. They think we are what, bad guys?
Bad guys.
Can I say the
Hostile actors.
hostile actors? Yeah, so we're good now. Okay, let's continue to our journey to the skate park. He knows this place. I like it. Strolling around. What?
That slope.
Huh?
Do you want to hit that slope? I'll film you.
No.
No.
Okay guys, let's try this. This is a downhill. Yeah. Let's try this one. Yeah. Yeah. Film me?
You want me to film you?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think... Alright.
Have you done it before?
Yeah, lots of times. You have to turn a lot though. So you were going to go first. Just turn a lot to keep your speed low.
Hey guys, that's a good run. We're going to do this again. It's like what's like
Laguna.
no.
Oh.
Like 60 degrees inclined. Yeah. We'll do this again.
This is like San Francisco in Canary Wharf.
What?
This is like the San Francisco.
Okay guys, this is fun. I like this. Let's do this again. Okay Alex, let's do this again.
This again.
Yeah.
Ready? Oh, Wayne, is it recording?
That was a great run. Where else? Okay guys, we'll continue. Oh, mga kamagagalit ha, nagsasalita lang tayo dito ng Ingles kasi kasama natin si Alex. Tsaka marami tayong mga subscriber na taga rito. Yeah! Oh! Is this your spot? Yeah.
That's what you can do. It's good for practicing your ollie.
Phew! Ito yung sinasabi niyang spot. Kaya sa mga ledges na yan, oh. Yeah. Yeah.
This is new. They put the plant pots to block skaters. They blocked it. You used to be able to come along here.
Okay.
They put plant pots on both sides to block skaters. But you know what?
What?
Still skate.
Ang ganda na ito mga kamagalit, oh. Phew! Hey guys, I don't think I can ollie. I'm drunk. Yes, Alex. Look guys, he wants me to drink while skating. I'm not used to this. He just want me to fall. Look at this guy. You're very good.